Algae and Mold Remover from HG is a concentrate with which you can remove algae growth in one go. Let's check it out. Hi John.
Hello.
I'm here to see whether Algae and Mold Remover clears green deposits in one go. Can you tell me how it works?
Well, even better, I'll show you. The Algae and Mold Remover is a concentrate, which means that you have to dilute it with water. And the ratio for that is 1 to 20. I have already diluted the concentrate in this spray bottle, but you can also apply it with a watering can or a bucket and a broom, but it's self-active.
How long will it take to activate?
The algae and mold will disappear within 36 hours.
Whoa, it's genuinely gone. Check. Now it's been proven effective.
Well, it already was, because this is a biocide, which means that we have been given a legal permit by the government after independent laboratories examined and confirmed the effectiveness of this recipe.
Great. Oh, that's clear. Is it harmful for grass and plants, by the way?
No, because you apply it in a diluted form. Plus, it's 100% biodegradable, so it will break down naturally.
Well, thanks, John.
You're welcome.
So obviously you can get it right in one go with HG Algae and Mold Remover.